be unboxing this iron golem from Minecraft. Here he is. But first, before I unbox it, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Iron golems are loyal to villagers and will defend them from hostile mobs and siege attacks. If you attack a villager and if there's an iron golem near you, you're going to die. Maybe. Iron golems are able to hold poppies and give them to villagers, symbolizing the friendship between them. They're kind-hearted types, really. And now it's time to open this one. It's harder than I thought. That would be like our skeleton, just epic unboxing. The boxes are just so weak. Oh my god. It's kind of like the Enderman. But we didn't really show you that, but it has like these little blocks on the back. And here's the iron block. Okay, here it is. Next up, what the poppy. But it only it fell off. Okay, here's the poppy. I'm holding a poppy or rose. But the only thing is that they can't grow on anything else except for flower pots or old grass or dirt. Oh my gosh, why is this so hard? Ugh, get out of here, you iron golem. Why is it so hard? Sorry guys, it's real hard. Like what I say every time. If you're wondering why I don't say I'm gonna do it, it's because she's just busy doing work. Of course. And here's the iron golem. Oh, you can't turn it around. Here's the iron golem. Wait, let's see it. Here's the iron golem. And I'm gonna try making it hold a flower. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. He has a flower! He has a flower! Oh, and he fell forwards. And look, wait, look! He has a nose, like a villager nose that actually pops out. So you can't turn his head fully around unless you do this. Oh my god! Maybe I could do something like this to the villager, like make a villager golem. Like put the villager head on top of the iron golem, and then put the villager body on the iron golem's head. And see, like have the same type of noses. But anyways, that's it for the